Hey guys, long time no see. I think it's time to have a little coffee chat. Years of 2017 and 2018, and I think it's time for an update. So, let's have a little chit chat, shall we? We're done with that. So, a lot has happened with me. I don't know if you guys care to even notice, but today, basically gonna do the morning routine of what I do in the morning. So, but yeah, a lot has happened with me. I know I haven't been really up to date with this channel or done anything or really explored what I can do with this channel with the available opportunities that's available for me over here. But I mean, life happens. You know what I mean? Life freaking happens. I'll tell you that. That's for sure. But yeah, a lot has happened today.
I'm getting my haircut, so it's probably gonna be shorter than this. And I'm excited for it because it's gonna be like this much shorter. Oh, I'm so very excited. And yeah.
I would start off today's topic with Mr. Superman. I'm wearing a Batman versus Superman kind of shirt right now. So, I'm going to talk about the time when I had Superman as my professor. I literally did. I kid you not. So, I have, when I'm in school, I was taking these classes with my friends. This class, and we look at this teacher's name. We're just like, really? Okay, he seems like a meh teacher. I don't know how he is. We try to look him up on Rate My Professor, which I think a lot of college students do. And if you haven't done that before, then I don't know if you actually lived the college life without having to look up one of your professors and saying if your professors are really good or not. We try to find Rate My Professor. Can't really find him. So we're just like, okay, we really can't find you. We're just gonna hope for the best.
Damn. Thank God he wasn't on my professor, because I think a lot of people would have wanted to join his class.
He literally walks in and he wears Converse with jeans and a sweater and his little like hipster sidestep thing with the glasses of Superman. I'm just like looking at him like,
look, oh my God, yeah, like freaking hot. He literally looked like freaking like he was gonna like rip his shirt out and just like, I'm Superman. I was like, oh my God, like I need to contain myself because right now I think I'm just gonna have a heart attack. I'm just gonna just think like, oh, Superman, or something like that. He was super damn fine looking, and my friend next to me was just irritated at him. I'm like, why are you irritated? Look at the zipper. And I was just like, why? Little zipper clearly had a little thread popping out. And I'm over here gushing over him like, oh my God, this, woo! And she's like over here like, oh, like, flush it over this stupid zipper.
Side note, she's a military gal. Sorry, she's a Marine gal. And, they're very particular in how their, clothing is. So there's no thread sticking out, so it's sharp and clean. She's very much like that. And his thread was sticking out. And she would get so irritated. Like, seriously, throughout the whole class period, she's so irritated that she wanted to cut his little thread out. And I was just like, girl, appreciate the view. Appreciate the view. It's a very rare view we're getting right here. Oh my God. I was just like, I mean, what would you guys do if you had like Superman for your freaking teacher? Like, I would just be like, oh my God. I would use like, but back to it. Okay, well that was that story. It's just a little short story. The day that I had Superman as my teacher, and let's just say I did ace that class, and he was a wonderful teacher. He's an amazing teacher. And he is a psychologist, and he has a practice. I'm not going to say his practice out loud so you guys can see or stalk him or see who the hell he is. If he ever has a class, I will certainly be taking his class again. So that's it for today's episode or show. I wanted to make it quick and sassy and fussy, and here we are. Bam! Well, anyhow, I hope to be making more videos in the future. I have more videos coming up, more people coming in, featured, my friends that keep coming in, heading off this channel, making it all suave and everything. But yes, that's it for today, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and mwah, love you all. You do you. Make sure you don't let anybody stop you from doing your goals, and turn your phone. Make sure you make the next year your year, no matter what happens.
That's good. Well, not really.